If at all the people knew who it is that is amidst them, they would not have made such false accusation. Dear brothers and sisters, the gospel of the day is set at the background of Jesus casting out a demon that was dumb. Seeing this, some marveled, while others accused him, saying that he casts out demons by the prince of demons. And still others looked signs from him to believe in him. Jesus uses this opportunity to teach an important principle of life. That is, every kingdom that is divided cannot stand. From the gospel of the day, we can identify one reason that brings about division in a kingdom. It is the tendency to pass false judgments without knowing the complete truth. If at all the people knew who it is that is amidst them, they would not have made such false accusation. If they had opened their minds to understand that He is the Son of God who exercises power over everything, they would have seen the goodness in Him. They would not have accused God of being at the side of evil. But their jealousy, their pride, their arrogance moved them to close their minds towards Him. As a result, they could neither understand Him, nor His words, nor His deeds. This in turn made them to pass false judgments against Him, a kind that would never be expected of the chosen people. This is something that we also need to be careful in our life. That is, never to pass a false judgment about anyone unless we know the truth. Jesus, while teaching about speck in your brother's eye and log in our eye, in Matthew chapter 7 says, "Judge not, that you will not be judged. For with the judgment you pronounce, you will be judged." Only God can in fact judge, because only God can know us completely. In order to know someone well, then I need to keep away any pride or arrogance or jealousy and become open-minded. And such people, in fact, would never pass a judgment about others. Thus, the gospel invites us to refrain from passing judgments. But it is not enough that we stop ourselves from passing wrong judgments, but we need to fill that place with the ability to identify the goodness in others and speak about the same. Because it is not enough that we weed out the grass from the garden, but we need to plant good plants in it. Otherwise, weeds will grow again. Amen.